Positive affirmations serve as powerful tools to rewire the brain for success by challenging self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. They work by replacing detrimental beliefs with positive and empowering ones, thereby impacting mental health and well-being. Research has highlighted the significant influence of positive affirmations on reshaping neural pathways and fostering a positive mindset. This transformation can lead to increased confidence, reduced anxiety, and improved overall well-being. By consistently practicing affirmations, individuals can experience a notable shift in their thought patterns and emotional resilience. Positive affirmations function by actively challenging and replacing negative thoughts with empowering beliefs, effectively reshaping neural pathways in the brain. This process reinforces positive thinking patterns and contributes to a shift in mindset and behavior. Through consistent repetition, individuals can witness a tangible transformation in their thought processes and emotional responses. By understanding the mechanics of how positive affirmations work, individuals can harness their potential to reprogram their mental landscape and foster a more optimistic and resilient outlook. The science behind positive affirmations is rooted in neuroplasticity, which underpins their effectiveness in reshaping the brain. Studies have demonstrated the profound impact of positive affirmations on the brain's response to stress, enhancing resilience and adaptive capabilities. The brain's remarkable ability to rewire and adapt itself is instrumental in the success of positive affirmations, as it allows for the creation of new neural pathways that support a more positive mindset. Understanding the scientific basis of positive affirmations empowers individuals to leverage their brain's plasticity to cultivate a more resilient and optimistic worldview. Utilizing positive affirmations yields numerous benefits, including heightened self-esteem and confidence. These affirmations also play a crucial role in alleviating anxiety and fostering overall well-being. Furthermore, they serve to enhance motivation and propel individuals towards achieving their goals. By integrating positive affirmations into daily practice, individuals can experience a multifaceted improvement in their mental and emotional states, ultimately leading to a more positive and empowered mindset. Effective use of positive affirmations involves selecting personalized affirmations that align with one's aspirations and values. Consistent practice, especially during moments of relaxation or meditation, enhances the effectiveness of affirmations. Additionally, employing present tense and positive language reinforces the impact of the affirmations, anchoring them in the present moment and promoting a proactive mindset. By incorporating these tips, individuals can optimize the potency of positive affirmations and harness their transformative potential for personal growth and well-being.